My name is Becca, and I'm a member of the team here at SharpCloud. Today, I'll be demonstrating how to integrate some of your other business tools, such as Power BI, within your stories so that you can view and interact with data from within a SharpCloud view, saving you time, energy, and the confusion of what data lives where, and allowing you to create more focused views of your data. SharpCloud has numerous plugins that allow you to embed content from other browser-based systems, creating a more seamless workflow with data from various sources without having to import all of that data into SharpCloud. In this case, we'll be working with Power BI. In this view, we can see that there's a standard SharpCloud timeline view demonstrating all of our projects, goals, and relationships on the left, and two reports from Power BI on the right, one demonstrating financial reporting by stage in a table, and another demonstrating financial reporting by stage and RAG status in a column chart. It's pretty cool being able to visualize all of this data in one view, but with plugins, we can take it to the next level. You can also focus on a single item in SharpCloud and get the appropriate Power BI data for the selected item. Let's see an example. Let's say that you want to focus on this goal in your SharpCloud story. Just click the item and highlight the relationships to see the projects related to the goal. Then click Show in View to create a new perspective of the focused information. The Power BI plugins on the right will automatically update to show the focused data specific to the displayed SharpCloud items. You can also create more focused views of Power BI data with SharpCloud's interactive filters. By selecting a filter, you can see all of the projects that have that attribute in SharpCloud, as well as the Power BI data that correlates with those items. Similarly, when we click on a project that appears to be at risk and filter to show the projects that we have identified as being potentially impacted, the Power BI report immediately resets to give us a clear picture of the possible losses stemming from this one bad project. Utilizing SharpCloud connectors to create this type of data integration allows you to leverage your existing investments and employ the best tools for each part of your business process so that you can do more with less. A blend of Power BI and SharpCloud can empower true strategic conversation and action. Alone, they're powerful, but the sum is greater than the parts. Have more questions about how you can integrate Power BI into your SharpCloud workflow? Our team of SharpCloud experts are always happy to help. Just click the blue question mark at the bottom of your story and click Support to find supplemental learning resources and get in touch with SharpCloud support. The possibilities are endless with SharpCloud connectors. Get started today.